All right, here's a project for you. 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. Finished in the original Cotillion White. It's got white interior, white and red, I guess, like a two-tone. The things that it needs right now, it's got those these fiberglass corners that kind of go bad on these cars. They're known for just disintegrating, so I took the rest of them off. They're available. I think they're, I don't know, $1,200 or $1,300 for the kit for the front and rear. And you just paint them to match. Rest of the body and paint, actually pretty good. No rust at all. California car. I've got the original books and records for it. The windshield's good. All the chrome and the trim is in good condition. Again, there's those front pieces that are missing. But bumpers and everything are nice. Got some pinstriping on there. The paint could be original, at least most of it is, I think. No signs of any body damage or previous accidents. We also stripped the top off of it. The top was ripped and kind of shredded, so we just took the canvas off so you can see the frame. The power top works as well, goes up and down. Also has a power antenna that works. It's got a little ripply here on the trunk. I don't know if something had dropped on that in the garage or whatever, so if you're going to do any body work and paint, or maybe when you're doing those filler panels, that'd be a good time to do that. But it's got telescopic steering wheel. It's got 8-track radio with a Doobie Brothers 8-track in there. Pretty cool. So you're really going to have to do door panels for sure, or have them recovered. The seats had plastic clear seat covers on them, so it kind of saved them. But power steering, power brakes, front wheel drive these cars were, 500 cubic inch. Pretty cool car. But fix it up. Maybe make some money on it, or just keep it. It's a way to get in the door for not a bunch of money. Here's the power plant in the 76 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. These things had a 500 cubic inch engine and a lot of engine, front wheel drive. Of course they were loaded with everything. They already had power steering and power brakes and air conditioning. Thing runs really great. Like I said in my ad, transmission needs to be redone. It goes into reverse but not drive. So that needs to be done. But it's got a brand new battery in it. Thing runs great. I'll go ahead and fire it up for you. I'll even leave the Doobie Brothers in there for you. Pretty cool though. 31,675 miles. That's what the previous owner said it had on it. I kind of believe it, looking at all the records and stuff that I had for it. But like I said, seats aren't too bad of shape. It needs door panel replacement. Of course, it needs a top. But body overall, nice and straight. Runs pretty good. Pretty quiet. No smoke, nothing like that. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary. Be happy to show you the car.